Hello students, as in the last lecture we saw sums based on dice, and even we completed with the sums based on coins also. And today we'll see some different sums where you will see that you have to find the mean variance in the standard deviation only, but the pattern of the question it will be little different. As from last two lectures we are seeing the sums based on the coins and the dice. Here we have some different sum, like a class has 15 students, so and so it is there, and then you have to find the probability distribution, and then you have to find mean variance and standard deviation. In the second question it is something different, but the concept it is same, that we have to find e of x and v of x only. So let's focus on this first sum now. A class has 15 students whose ages are 14, 17, 15, 14, 21, 17. Means it says that in a class there are 15 students. Out of that 15, there are two students whose age are 14. There are three students, okay, whose age are 17. There is only one student whose age is 15, like that. Okay, so like here we have 15 students whose ages are 14, 17, 15, 14, 21, 17, 19, 20, 16, 18, 20, 17, 16, 19 and 20 years. One student is selected in such a manner that each has the same chance being chosen, and the age x of the selected student is recorded. Then what is the probability distribution? That means we have to prepare a table. We have to prepare a table which is known as the probability distribution of random variable of x, and then you have to find mean variance and standard deviation. Okay, so first we'll prepare the probability distribution according to the given condition. As it says that here we have 15 students, yes or no? Okay, whose ages are, so we'll start here with the solution. So we'll take here as x ages of students. Okay, so now we'll prepare the probability distribution table. As here we have x, that is ages, yes or no, and we'll see the number of student. Okay, we'll check the age. The smaller number is what, 14, yes or no? 14 it is there, and the highest number is 21, so we'll write here 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 and 21. Now we'll see how many number of students are there of age 14. So here we are getting only 2. There are 2 students whose ages are 14. Now we'll check for 15. There is only one student. Now we'll see for 16. For 16, 1, 2. For 17, 1, 2, 3. For 18, only 1. For 19, 1, For 20, 1, 2, and here 3. For 21, only 1 is there. Now we'll check whether our answer is correct or not. Just simply calculate this number. It should turns up to 15 student. Okay, so 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Yes, so it is perfect now. So now we'll see the probability of the number of students now. So P of X. Okay, so what is the formula for P of X probability? Okay, to find the probability we have the formula, that is N of A upon N of S. So here the number of students are 2. N of S means what? Total number of students. So how many students are there? There are 15 students. So the probability for the first getting ages of 14, there are 2 students. So probability will be what? 2 by 15. Because we know that the formula to find the probability is N of A upon N of S. So N of A, number of students are 2, and total number of students are what? 15. So for the first one, the answer is 2 by 15. For the second one, it will be 1 by 15. For the third one, it will be 2 by 15. Got the idea? This is what N of A is, what? Number of students, and this is what N of S is, what? Total number of students. So your total number of students is 15, and N of A will change as number of students whose age are 14. There are 2 students in the age group of 14. There is only one student in the age group of 15. There are 2 students. So for the first one, the answer will be 2 by 15, 1 by 15, 2 by 15. This will be 3 by 15, 1 by 15, 2 by 15, 3 by 15, and 1 by 15. Yes or no? So N of A is what? Number of students upon total number of students. Yes or no? So the next step, according to the condition here, we got X as well as P of X. So we'll write here the required PDF is X is 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay, as here it says that what is the probability distribution of the random variable of X. So here when you will prepare the table, no need of writing the number of students, because probability distribution means what? The table with respect to X and P of X. So this will be 2 upon 15, 1 by 15, 2 by 15, 3 by 15, 1 by 15, 2 by 15, 3 by 15, and 1 by 15. Understood? Clear? So here we got the first one, that is the probability distribution. Now we have to find the mean, variance, and the standard deviation. So we'll write here, let X as Xi and P of X as Pi. Okay, so Xi is 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Pi is 2 by 15, 1 by 15, 2 by 15, 3 by 15. For 18 it is 1 by 15, 2 by 15, 3 by 15, and 1 by 15. Then after that we have to find Xi Pi, then Xi square, then last column will be what? Xi square into Pi. So for the third column we have to multiply this two. So this will be what? 28 by 15, 15 by 15, 32 by 15, 17 three side is 51 by 15, 18 by 15, 19 twos are 38 by 15, and this will be 16 by 15, and the last one is 21 by 15. Okay, now we'll see for xi square. 14 square is what? 196. 15 it is 225. 16 256. 17 289. 18 324. 19 361. 400 and 441. Okay, now we have to multiply this two column to get the last answer, last column. So 2 into 196 is 392 divided by 15. This will be what? 225 divided by 15. 256 side is 112 by 15. 3 289, so it will be 3 9s are 27, so 867 by 15. This will be 324 by 15. 2 361, so that is 722 by 15. This will be what? 1200 by 15, and the last one will be 441 by 15. Okay, as here we can see that 15 and 15 we can cancel. Even this 18 upon 15 also we can reduce the number, but keep as it is. As I told in many lectures that when the denominator is same, it will be easy for us to add all the numbers. Simply what you have to do, write the denominator only one time and then simply add the numerator number. Okay, so now let's move on to the next step, as we have to find the mean, variance and the standard deviation. So I hope you all understood till here. As in the question it says that we have total number of students, how many are there? 15. Out of that there are two students whose age are 14. There is one student whose age is 15. There are two students whose age are 16. There are 3, 17, 1, 18, 2, 19, 3, 20 and 1, 21. According to this condition we got the probability. Here n of a is what? Number of students, and n of is known as total number of students. So here total number of students, it comes to 15, as here it says that we have 15 students. Okay, so the probability will be what? N of a upon n of s. So number of students of 14, category of 14 age are 2. So the probability, what? Probability of this age will be what? 2 by 15. For the second one it will be 1 by 15, so and so. Here we got p of x. After that we wrote the required PDF. As in this question it says that we have to find the separate answer for the probability distribution, so you will get 1 mark for that section. What is the probability distribution of random variable of x? So for this, for writing this part, you will get 1 mark. After that, with respect to the PDF, here we got the column. Okay, so after that we'll find the total of these two to get the answer of mean, variance and standard deviation. Okay, so now we'll find the answer for the first one, that is mean. So the formula for mean is total of xi into pi. Yes or no? So here the denominator is same. Yes or no? Simply we'll add the numerator to get the answer. 28 plus 15 plus 32 plus 51 plus 18 plus 38 plus 60 plus 21. Okay, so when you will add all this number, you will get 263 divided by 15. Okay, so if you want, you can keep this number as it is, or else you can divide the number as 15. One side is 15, so you have left with 12. So 15 sevens are then 15 5 is 75. Then 3, so this will be 17.53. Okay, so here we got the first answer, that is 17.53. Okay, so here we got the first one, that is 17.5333 you will get. So here we got 17 point, so we wrote up to 2 decimal place. So please check by yourself also whether it is correct or not. So the first answer here we got, that is 17.53. Next one is what we have to find the variance. Without knowing e of x square we cannot find, so total of xi square into pi. So here the total denominator is same. We'll add the numerator, 392 plus 225 plus 512 plus 867 plus 324 plus 722 plus 1200 plus 411. Okay, so here the answer will be what, 15. So this total, when you will add, it comes to, so this is 441. Okay, so when you will add all these numerator numbers, so you will get 4683. Okay, so we'll keep this e of x square as it is, as we have to find mean variance. So you will get the marks for the mean and variance. Okay, if you want, you can divide this number also. For my safer side, I will keep this number in fraction only, so it will be easy for us to find the v of x further. So v of x formula is what, e of x square minus e of x the whole square. So this is 4683 divided by 15. Okay, and this is what, e of x, it is 17.53. Actually 17.53, how we got from 263 by 15, yes or no? Okay, so if you want, you can reduce this number. So this will be 3 5s 1s 5s 6 1, so 1561 divided by 5. So when you will multiply 263 into 263, so 9 16 14 4 16 69. So this will come to 69196. So this will be 69169 divided by 15 square is 225. So the next step, we can cross this number to get the answer. Okay, so 151561 into 225. So just multiply and check. So what will be the answer? Okay, so okay, or else there is one more method. Make the denominator same. If you want to make the denominator same, here we have 5, here it is 225. So when you will multiply 5 by 45, so here you will get 225, and multiply the numerator also with 45 as per the rule. So this will be 225, this is also 225. So 1561 into 45, so this will turns up to 70245, and this is 69165. As now the denominator is same, so 70245 minus 69165, subtract and see. So the answer will be what? 50, 24 minus 16 is okay. So answer will be what? Oh, 6, 7, 10. Okay, upon 225. Just divide and check. 1076 divided by 225. So it will be 4.78222. Okay, so you will get the recurring number like this, 4.78222. Okay, so here we got the answer of v of x also. Now we have to find the last thing, that is standard deviation. To find the standard deviation of x, simply what you will do, you will find the square root of v of x. Square root of v of x, that is 4.7822. As I told that there are two methods to find the answer. One is by square root division method, so or else by the log table also you can find. So 2 2s are 4 plus 2. I hope you all might be knowing the square root division method. 78 point, ones are yes or no. So 41. So here it will be 8. So the answer will be 2.18. So here we got the final answer also, standard deviation, which is equal to 2.18. I hope you all understood the sum, as this sum was little different. The concept was the same, that we have to find e of x, v of x and the standard deviation of x only. But the pattern of the question, it was in a statement sum. So once again I will explain the sum, as here we have 15 number of students whose ages are so and so. So there are two students of 14 age group, there is one student of 15 age group, there are two of 16, three of 17, one of 18, two of 19, three of 21 of 21. So when you will add all this number, it comes to 15 only. Okay, so according to the condition, now we have to find the probability. So probability formula is what? N of a upon n of s. So consider this n of a as number of student and n of s as total number of students. So total number of students, here we have 15, and number of students for 14 age group is 2, for 15 is 1. So here we got the answer of p of x. After that you will write the required PDF. So here the required PDF is with respect to x and p of x. So while preparing the table of PDF, no need of writing the number of students. After that we have to prepare the table. Okay, so where you will get the answer of e of x, v of x, yes or no. Your total will be 4683 divided by 15. If you want to divide this number, you can divide. For the safer side, I kept the answer as it is. Okay, here in this step I had made the denominator same to make the calculation easy. When you will cross the number will be bigger as compared to this second last step, yes or no. Because when you will multiply 1561 into 225, the number will be bigger. It will be in 6 7 decimal place, it will be in 6 7 digit. So for that I made the denominator same. So v of x, we got 4.7822. After that we have to find the standard deviation of x. For standard deviation of x, simply you have to find the square root of v of x. So there are two methods to find the answer. One is square root division method, and second one you can find the answer by simply by using the log table. I hope you all understood this sum. Okay, so we'll take two more sums are there in the exercise, which is a little different as well as very important also. So we'll try to do that two sums also. Two three sums are there, and there is one sum in the miscellaneous which is very important. So we'll try to connect with all the remaining sums now, and we'll try to finish the chapter today itself only. So now let's check the second sum. Okay,